Assalamualaikum guys. So this is very interesting stall. This is, you can donate a brick in Kenya. I never donated in Kenya. I have like no idea what happening in Kenya. So I stopped by. I donated a little bit as well. So you guys should come and donate on this special cause. So let's talk to Sister Samira and ask what she is doing and why we would care to donate in the first place. Assalamualaikum sister, how are you?
Walaikum salam barakatuh. How are you, brother Zeeshan?
Wait. Okay.
Walaikum salam barakatuh, brother Zeeshan. How are you?
Very good. So please explain what you are doing and why you are here.
So we have an organization. It's called Muslimah for Change.
Okay.
So we have built an orphanage for girls, for 16 girls in Kenya. But because of the need is so high, well, alhamdulillah, we are able, now somebody donated the land to us. Now we want to build an orphanage to save 100 girls.
Okay. So inshallah I will share the link. Thank you
Inshallah,
very much.
jazakallah khaira, brother Zeeshan.
We all need more people like you.
Yes, alhamdulillah,
Thank you very
jazakallah
much.
khaira, brother
Assalamu
Zeeshan. Walaikum salam.